my name is Pip and I thank you for watching my new video. Today I'm going to be cutting my own hair.
Welcome to Doing Stupid Things with Pip.
Happy New Year! New year, new me, but in my case, new year, new hair, new me. Lately I've been trying to become less of a hot mess, but right now my hair surely is a hot mess, so I need to do something about it. Being a full-time singer with a very unpredictable income, I try to save as much as possible. If I don't have to spend any money on a haircut, I would love to skip it and just do it myself. If this goes horribly wrong, I'll definitely go to the hairdresser and have it cut professionally, but I'd much rather not spend money and see if I can do this myself. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with my hair. It's so thin and absolutely straight, I cannot really do anything with it. If I try to curl it, it doesn't stick. The only thing that sort of works is when I curl my hair with a hair straightener, but that damages it. My last haircut was in January of last year, so about a year ago. And since then it's grown. Luckily, I would love it to be longer, but I feel like it's not growing as much right now because it needs some cutting. And sometimes you need to cut some things out of your life to be able to grow. I hope it doesn't turn out too short because I want it to grow longer, but at least I want it to look a little bit healthier. And right now, it looks like trash sitting next to my actual trash. So what I have here is a comb, a brush, some scissors. Yes, I did not go out and buy some actual hair cutting scissors. These are scissors from my kitchen cabinet. I have used this for everything, so my hair is gonna be next on that list. And I have a bowl to put my hair in because I do not like making a mess because my life's already such a big mess, so I like to keep all other areas in my life clean. But maybe I should have used a different bowl because we also eat out of this. I'm not super attached to my hair. I have had it short before. I'm not sure I really like it short, but I can handle it, and as long as I can put it up in a ponytail, I'm fine. I will probably survive. Right now, the ends of my hair are dead, gross, and dry, and damaged. I just need to cut them off. And because the ends of my hair are so dry and gross and dead and awful, I tend to curl it a lot more so you don't see it as much, which causes my hair to die at an even bigger speed, so I'm only making it worse. I've been watching some hair cutting tutorials on YouTube, as one does before one cuts their own hair. And I've seen some different techniques. I'm gonna be combining two. There's this girl who puts her hair in a ponytail like this and then cuts it off like that. And there's this other girl who puts her hair into little pigtails and puts one elastic here and another one here and cuts right above the elastic. I'm gonna be combining the two. I'm gonna gather it in front and put another elastic here and cut above the elastic. I am seriously gonna be surprised if this turns out any good. If it does, I'll never need a haircut again. So I just came out of the shower. My hair has already dried up a little bit, and they say that dampening it is best. At the moment, my hair is so dry that the ends of my hair dry so fast, it's unbelievable. You blink and they're dry because there's just no moisture in it. I think I need to wet it again. I did not prepare for this. I thought my hair was still gonna be wet. My battery is about to die. This is the greatest moment for my battery to die. And we are back! So while I do this, I thought I'd talk about New Year's resolutions for a little bit, because the whole New Year, New Me thing is kind of ridiculous, of course, because the way I see it is that every single day, maybe I should not be talking while I do this, because this is kind of something I need concentration for, which I already lack a lot. It is a nice way to better yourself, but I think that every single minute of the day could be new beginnings, so I try to look at it like that. I don't know if this is going well. If it goes all the way over your face and goes into it, you have a different length than if it's just right beside your face. I have a side part, but maybe I should have done it down the middle, but I never wear it down the middle, so I don't know if that's right. Works. Maybe I should not have worn a turtleneck for this. Oh god. This is never ever gonna be even. Why do I do these things to myself? It's not in the middle. Well, this does not look right. Now does it? Making a second one right now. My hair looks like trash. Oh god. Are we actually gonna be cutting this? Am I actually doing this? Is this really something I'm gonna do? Ah! Is this straight enough? Well, we're just gonna do it, okay? This is, oh my god. Oh my god. This is not looking well. It is crooked. AF. Oh god. I actually look ridiculous. So we're gonna take this out and see if it's kind of what we wanted it to be. Maybe I should cut it a little bit straighter. How are you supposed to see this? I don't know how this works. Oh my god. But I feel like it's sort of straight. Is it not? I don't know. How are you supposed to tell? Well, it's definitely not straight. The ends do look better right now, but maybe I should take this off and see what it looks like. Oh god. This is just horrible. I hate my hair. Okay. Well, I don't mind the length. I like it, but see how crooked this is. This side is way longer than the other side. Oh my goodness. This is just not good. When I was a little girl, I actually wanted to become a hairdresser. I think it was a good decision to not choose that career path for my life. I actually don't mind it. From afar, it's not that bad, but from up close, it's really bad. Oh, I did make a mess after all. Why? Because she's stupid. So let's look at the back. This is the back. I think it's actually not that bad. But I don't know. Maybe if I look at this footage, I'm like, Pip, what were you thinking? Well, I'm probably gonna be thinking, Pip, what were you thinking? But I don't mind it. I like it. Maybe just do something about this. I really think that this was a success. Maybe I'll come back to it later. But right now, I'm pretty satisfied. I'm actually really surprised at how well this worked. Okay, I'm confused. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching me do something very stupid. Maybe I'll look at this footage later and think, yes, you are horrible at it, and maybe I'll go to a hairdresser, but right now, I don't actually think that that's necessary. I'm actually happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.
If you like this video, click the thumbs up. Let me show you many other videos you probably also like.